Hi guys, this is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe I have Fluffernutter Cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour with half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and a generous pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix this and set aside. The sugar, I have a mixture of half cup of coconut sugar. You can use light brown sugar if you have, but I'm using coconut sugar because I want to use up mine, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Again, just mix it till combined and set aside. Over here I have half cup of unsalted butter with 2 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter. We're gonna mix this until completely combined using our electric mixer. Like so. Now we add in the sugar and again mix it until completely combined. Want to scrape the sides and continue mixing. This is a smooth peanut butter, by the way. And it should be kind of pale when you keep mixing it. We want that. Once it's pale like this, as you can see, it's paler than what it was from the coconut sugar or brown sugar. We're gonna crack an egg and add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. We're gonna mix this again until completely combined again. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredients a little at a time, and you want to mix it on a low heat of your mixer so it doesn't fly everywhere. Now stir in half cup of mini chocolate chips, half cup to 3/4 cups, just until completely combined. Now what you want to do is scoop 1 dough, drop it on parchment lined baking pan, and then we're gonna top it with our marshmallow fluff, 1 tablespoon of marshmallow fluff. Like so. And you want to top it again. You want to top the marshmallow fluff with another scoop of cookie dough, like so. Just gonna bake this for at 350 Fahrenheit preheated for 8 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. Cool cookie on the pan for 5 minutes before moving to cooling rack.